Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to install Oracle DBA Plus or with ASM using storage. We are going to use a storage from another server and we are going to install Oracle with ASM. Okay. Me personally, I'm going to use VMware, but you can use filter box or whatever you can use just to create your filter machine. Okay. Okay. We are here. I'm going to use um, this one for storage. I have here open file, open filer, open filer. You can create this type of storage like TrueNAS, something like that. And next video, I will show you how to create a storage with OpenFiler. Okay. Next, we are going to choose this one called ASM plus storage. All of those virtual machines are new and clean. I just installed the system and update it and nothing else. So what we are going to do, I'm going to connect. Let me check what is the IP of this machine. Okay, what I'm going to do is connect it here. Say yes, password. Here we are connect. Now, I'm going to open my step-by-step of how to, yes, how to install the Oracle. First, we are going to disable the C Linux. Okay, disable it. We are going to stop the firewall just for practice. And a production environment, you need to create your rules. But now we are just going to stop it. Everything here is in Spanish because I'm from the Caribbean. And this how-to is from my teacher. So yes, it's in Spanish and my main language is Spanish. I'm trying to do it in English. So most of you guys can enjoy it. Okay. Let's now we are going to edit the host file. I'm going to do it like that. check it. Yes, here we have it. Nice. Check. Great. Now we are going to install the necessary package. There is a lot here. Why we are installing all of those package? Because an production environment, you are I mean I don't like to send a server without anything. So like if you are a database administrator, you don't always asking the sysadmin or the guys of security, oh, give me access to the internet. No, you just install everything before you send this server to production. That's why I install everything I'm going to need. Okay. Well, before to continue with this tutorial, I would like you guys to subscribe to my channel. Help me to progress. Help me um, to get more followers, thing like that. Subscribe and share this video. Share the link. Share the channel. Here we are installing all of the package, updating the server, and then we are going to continue. It's waiting now. After that, we are going to learn how to install a rack. We are going to learn how to install data guard. We are going to learn how to install Oracle just file system, not ASM. We are going to learn a lot about installing and upgrading Oracle. Just subscribe to get always the news. Sorry for my bad English. As you know, I'm coming from a Spanish language. It's not easy to translate. Running, we just have to wait. Yes, we have a lot of package, but It's what I was telling you guys. You are a database developer, so you cannot send the server to production just like that. You need to be sure that this server has everything. So you are not like every second asking to go out, to go to the internet, to download this, download that, you know, you need to be sure of security. Almost done with the installation and here complete. Okay. Now we are going to create the groups we are going to need. Copy here. Oh, still installing. Oh, updating. Okay. I'm sorry for the noise, guys. I'm living like next to the street, so I have a lot of cars that pass close to me, so you can hear a lot of noises. Great. Now we finish. Create the group. Group created. We are going to create now users for the groups. User create. We are going to give the user password. You can give them any password you want, like. We are going to upgrade the dev slash dev slash sm shared memory. We're going to upgrade it. What are we doing now? We are preparing the server and then install our Oracle. Now we are going to add the disks from the system, from the storage. Sorry. Let's check first if we, as we can see, we just have one disk. So for ASM, we are going to need more disk. So let's install what we need. Okay. I know that my system my storage is on the IP. Yeah, it says clearly here. 150, yeah, 150. So we are going to use ISCSI to discover the border of our storage. Yeah, this is our storage. So we are going to connect to our storage. And we are connect. We are going to check if we have the disks. Yes, we have them. And fire, they come from OpenFire. Next, we are going to learn OpenFire, okay? If I do that, now we have the disk. Yeah. The disk we are going to use for ASM disk group, okay? Well, as we are going to use multipath, I realized that we have to connect twice to the target. So I create another one, another target with the same disk, just to have a second one, so multipath can works without any problem. Connecting the second one. We do a rescan for the disk, and we can see we are connect and two target, ASM storage 1, ASM storage. If we do that, yeah, we have the same disk twice, so multipath can find them. Okay, so we need the UID. So I create this, find them. Here we are. The disk, they just twice. Let's need them here. Yeah. Okay. Yes. As we can see, let's check if we have multipath installed. Well, multipath is installed. Let's see if it's working. Yeah, it's a not. Need to enable it. So let's copy the config from the doc, from the share, but it's come from the system. Copy it. So we restart multipath, and if we do that, now we have multipath working. See that path and we can just change this name and give them an alias, you know, and give them an alias. As I need like the name and the name of the disk and the UID, I create this script so you can find it easier. Okay. I'm going to create this script and I'm going to paste this dot here. And now we just run our script and we have the disk and the UID. Copy it, paste here, because we are going to need them, right? Now, let's copy. We are going to create our multipath config file, multipath config file. So we are going to add and a blacklist exceptions our disk. So I'm going to copy that and paste here, right? Copy this one, paste here. Copy and paste. So and we are going to give our disk some alias with multipath, all right? So I'm going to call the big one 60 gigabyte. I'm going to call this one RDBMS, because I'm going to use this for /U01. You will see next. And 5 gigabyte for OCR. $50 for data, ASM, this group 40 for FRA, 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 and redo. I'm going to give it this one, this one. Yeah, yes. So what we are going to do here, we're going to create a file called multipath config here. And we are going to the last line, and we are going to paste this line from here to here. Right? We're going to paste this line here. Save it and restart multipath. Sorry for the noise, guys. Oh, so annoying. And here we have, as you can see, we have other name. And if we check them, see, now we have the name of every disk. Cool, we are good. So we are going to give partition to the disk. As you can see, they don't have any partition. So I'm going to give partition to the disk. Well, most of people use FS disk and Gpart and another other tools. I'm going to use part to do it and the command line, okay? Well, as you can see, yeah, let's try this one to see, okay? Yes, it's work. So then we give them a partition. Now every disk has a partition, okay? Good, we are good. And okay, now we are going to create rules. We are going to create a UDEV rules. So, okay, let's do it. Let's copy this command here so I can have my, yes, I can have it here. So, what we are going to do here, we already have this rule create. We're just going to change the UID of the disk. Okay, change it. Just going to change it. So we are using here, we are using ASM, UDEV, multipath, and storage. So guys, really great. Now let's create a rule. First, let's see if we have that. See, UDEV rules. We don't have it, so let's create it. Copy, paste here. I'm going to paste that here. We save it, and then we recharge the rules. Do it again, and Let's check to see. And here we have all of my disk grid and ASM admin, owner grid and group ASM admin. Nice. So now let's create uh, a BV so we can install where we are going to install the software. So we see if we create, and we are going to choose our disk called yes, exactly this one. Create our physical, and we are going to create a volume group. Pg create create. We are going to call it well ASM data. Yeah, and we are going to take this disk exactly. So we need to create an logical volume. We're going to do it with LV create, right? Give it a name. I'm going to call disk. Yeah, I can just call it disk U01. Yeah, and we are going to use all of the VG that we are already create. ASM data, and we can see it LVS, have it here, 6 gigabyte, PVS, here the PV, 3GS, and here's our VG. Great. So let's give it a format. We are going to use MKFS, and we are going to use XFS. Sorry, guy. XFS. Then we are going to create directory, create a directory to mount our LV. I'm going to mount it. We are going to mount it here. And we check to see if we have it. And here we have our disk. Is totally independent from the file system, from the system. This is from the storage. Remember the storage we had. So if the server got broke. So we have everything in our storage. We just have to create another server identical, and boom, we have it. Let's add it on the FS tab. So nice, check everything is correct. Yes. So we create directory for the software. Directory we are going to use for the software. Change owner. Owner is grid, and I'll install. Give them permission. And now we are going to create for grid and Oracle the environment. So let's do it. Well, I had a lot of alias, change the PS1. I have more than usual, but it's just for me, okay? And yes, it's good also. You create as you want to create it. That's for grid, and this one is for Oracle. So now we continue making some setting to the system. So Oracle can install perfectly without any problem. And check. Yes, everything is good. Now what we have to do is we need to copy the grid software and also the Oracle software to the server. So what I'm going to do is open my let me see. I have it. I think is FS. Let me see. Okay, Oracle soft. Yes, I have it. So let me see. Yes, I have them. So I can copy it. What is okay? Yeah, it's cool. So let's copy and paste. Let's copy here. Password of grid. And yes, it's copying. I can open another one and copy the Oracle software here and Oracle Home. Great. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, share this link, share the video with your friends, and just ask me any question you have about this type of installation. Oracle Rack Data Guard, Oracle Golden Gate, Oracle and File System, ASM. Let's check here. taking a lot to copy, almost like 2 GB, something like that. And the noises. Mm. Check it here, 5 MB. Too slow. Okay, it's what we have. Just wait and to copy. While it's copying, I'm going to drink some water. Okay, guy. Well, I forgot to tell you, we are using Linux 8, Oracle Linux 8 as we're using it like server. So our server is running Oracle Linux 8. And we are going to use the software is Oracle 19C. Yes, we're going to use the 19C, as you can see here. Almost done, 60%. Here, 41. Yes. And that's how we install Oracle 19C with ASM plus multipath plus UDEV plus external storage. It's really cool, eh? Any suggestion if you are an expert DBA Oracle and you have some suggestion, like some tips, welcome. I need them. I will work on this type of tutorial to make them better. But for now, it's how it's work for me. And you can see most of people do it like doing it with less complication, I could say. But this worked for me and I keep using it. If you find a short way to do it and it's work, very good. But for someone who is starting with Oracle installation, it's not bad to follow, to follow my steps. By the way, 2 steps, they are not mine. They are from my professor. His name is Jose Paredes. So, yes, for him the credit. It's almost done. Yes, guys, subscribe and share that on Discord, Telegram, WhatsApp with your friends. More than 2 gigabytes. Here, more. Good. Yeah. Great. So what we are going to do, we are going to create a new connection to the server with the grid user. And let's check with if we create, or where is the home. Yes, we have it. So what we have to do is unzip the software and the grid home. We do it like that. Excellent. So let's install these tools. CPU disk is it's a good tools. Oh, it's a good tools that help us to manage storage, network storage. We go here, install it. Great. Go back here. And what we are going to do, let's first go to grid home. See, we have it. ls. Yes, we have it. The software is unzip here, so we can do just here. We can slash grid setup, and here we come with grid installer. What we are going to do is install a standalone restart, OracleRestart. Next. So we need disk. So what is the path for our disk? The path is dev mapper. So we change it here. We call mapper. Because if you go here, you said ls dev mapper. We have the disk here. See? Here the disk. So set ls lth, yeah, mapper, I have mapper here slash here, and here we have the disk. So we are going to, and rather than C, we are going to choose external, right? And this one is going to be OCR. And we are going to select this one, OCR. And we say next. We give a password, the same password for all. Same password. It say the password is not strong enough because I just use, like, you know, for it's not, yeah, are you sure? Yes. I don't have enterprise cloud. I'm not going to select it. Next. This is the group we create before, remember? And before we get here, we create all of this group and users. Create next. We have the Oracle base. We create it. We click next. The inventory also we create it. Next. And the script, we want it to run the script automatically. So we type here the password of root. And, let me see, yes, password of root. Next, and it's going to check. Yeah, everything is okay. This is the summary. So let's go into install it. Here we are going to install the grid infrastructure. You just have to wait now. Yes, we want it to run the script. Yes. So far, so good. Remember, those disks, they are not attached directly on the system, and they are not attached directly on the server. Those disks come from another server. Now grid, it's installed. So let's go to create the disk group. We created this group with ASMCA. ASMCA. We check out this group. We already have OCR. So we are going to create the rest of the disk to create our group for ASM. So click here, create, external, and we are going to call this one data, and we are going to use data. This we already could create before. Data. Say OK. Creating this group. Here we have it. 50 gigabyte. Create another one. We are going to call it FRA. FRA. And we are going to take this one. External. The redundancy, external. OK. Create another one for external, and we are for read the log. So have it. Now we have our disk created. We can close here. Yes. Great. If we want to see, we can just try it. Right? We can say check to see. Describe SMA disk. It's how we sit. So we can check if we have our disk. And yes, we have our disk. Like here. Let's paste here. Well, we already finished with grid infrastructure. Now let's go into install the Oracle software, right? So let's go into, first of all, we have to connect to the server, create another connection with the Oracle user. Connect here, password here. Now we are like Oracle user. Here we are grid. Yeah. Here we are grid. Here we are Oracle. Oracle. So let's unzip the software and Oracle Home. Copy. here. Done. So let's see if we have it. We really have it. Exactly. Now we have. So let's going to install it. We are not in the directory, so we have to use the full path. Yeah, now we're going to install. We're going just to install the software, okay? Software only. Then we create our own database, software only. So we're going to single instance. We are check on the Enterprise Edition. Oracle base we already create. And the group we create before. Next. Give root the password to run the script. Recheck everything working fine. And we're going to install. Give permission to run the script. And done. Oracle software is installed. Right? So now we are going to create the database. We are going to run DBCA as Oracle user. We are going to create a database. We are going to create a new one. We are going to advance. Oracle single instance, general purpose, or transaction processing. Next. Well, the name, let's find it here, right? Let's say it. And I can say echo Oracle seed, right? Is test BDB. Okay, test DB. Test DB. We uncheck that because we are not going to use container. And click next. So we are going to use ASM database. As you can see, it's go directly on data. And we have, yes, we let's data because We want to everything go on data. And ULS OMF, and we click. We are not going now to multiplex. We could do it right here, right now. We can say like plus redo, but I would let it for later. Oh yes, I will let 7 plus redo. Okay, good. Next, we are going to specify FRA. Remember we have it. We have FRA. We create a disk for that, and we are going to give it like 20 gigabyte, right? We are going to enable archiving and change the name for air. It's dot archive. Sorry. Yeah, it's dot archive. Dot archive. Next. We don't need to create a listener because the grid software manages that. Next. No, nothing of security for now. We can learn that in DBA administration class. Next. So here, I'm going to let it in automatic. Sizing, we can change the sizing. Character set, I use this one, use OS character. Connection mode, it's dedicate. Sample schemas, yes, I want it. And next. I'm not going to use Enterprise Manager. And next. I'm going to use one password for all. It's a short password, so Oracle said no, but I said yes. And we are going to create our database, right? We check for the summary, say everything is okay, and click on finish. It's going to take like maybe 15 minutes to create it sometime, I don't know, maybe less, but yes, here we can see the detail, what is happening. Let me see. Yes, yes. We Yeah, here we can see what is going on. Yes, here we can see the process of the installation of the database 19C, as we can see here, 19C. Almost done, 68%. And yes, installation succeed. We can finish, close. And Let's check it, try it, right? Let's do this leader configuration just to change the name. As you can see, if I click, if I do that, SQL, it's because I have an alias. Remember, if I say cat, see, I have an alias here. SQL is SQL plus S is DBA. So SQL, see, it gives me just SQL here. But if I change it here, and I run SQL again, see, give me the name of the instance I'm using right now. If you are working on a company where you have multiple instances, it's a good way, to find where you. Okay, let's check our instance, the status of yeah, it's open. We can work. Let's check something. Check. Yeah, the name is testdb read write. So let's check data file. Here we have it. Have systems, its AY keys, undo, and users. Well, guys, that's it. We already installed Oracle 19C with ASM plus UDEV plus multipath and using an external storage. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe and share this video, okay? Thank you. Bye.